Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the prime factors of 72 using the prime factorization method. In the prime factorization method, we divide the number by prime numbers and find the factors of the number. So let us start by dividing the number 72 by prime numbers. As 72 is an even number, it is easily divisible by number 2. 2 is our first prime number. So 2 times 3 is 6. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Again we can divide 36 by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 18 is also an even number. It is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 9 is an odd number. So let's try dividing it by next prime number 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 3. So the prime factors of 72 are 2 and 3. The prime factorization of 72 is, we are going to take the product of all the numbers on the left hand side of the ladder. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which we can write as 2 cube times 3 square. So this is the prime factorization of 72. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.